Ever wanted a way to store your money in a place where it's physically impossible for others to take it away from you? Welcome to Bitcoin. Bitcoin allows you to make and receive payments without the need of any middlemen such as banks. It also gives you full control over your money and what you do with it. But how? Bitcoin is distributed through a public network known as the blockchain, which means anyone in the world can access and use Bitcoin. The network allows you to transfer your Bitcoins directly to the recipients anonymously, which protects all of your personal information. It does this by giving you a public key, which is used to receive Bitcoins from others, and a private key, which is used to access your Bitcoins, both consisting of a unique set of letters and numbers which differs from person to person. For more information, check out these links.